Hello viewers, in this special video I will show you how to create a free Canva account. Basically, Canva is an online website used in creating any social media graphics like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. It can also be used to design websites. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe, like and comment my YouTube channel Read Concept, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop awesome video like this, you will be the first person to be notified. So now I will take you to my PC and show you how to create a free Canva account right now. Welcome back. So in this video we shall be creating a free Canva account. Now as you can see, this is my PC. Now we'll go to our Google Chrome browser. We click on it. Then by the time as you can see, the Google Chrome browser has opened. So now we come to here, we type the URL, and the URL is canva.com. So after typing the URL, then we click enter. So as you can see, the website has opened. Canva is basically a website where you can design graphics. There are so many things you can do in Canva. As you can see, you can even do social media graphic, you can edit video, you can do a lot of things on Canva. So now, how do you create a free account on Canva? So you go to this place that says sign up, you click on it. Now when you click on it, it will take you to a dashboard. Now basically now you can sign up using your Google account, or you can sign up using your Facebook account, or you can sign up using your Apple account. But basically now we are signing up using our email. So we click continue with email. So we click on it. So now you see, so here you come to this place. Now you type in your email, the email. We type in the email, and the name of the email is, see, this is the email that I typed. This is the email that I want to create Canva account with, richconcept222 at gmail.com. So now I click continue. So now after signing up, so I've signed. So now you take me to a dashboard. Now I have to create my own Canva account. So what do? I have to type in my name. So I'll just type in my name. I'll just type in my Canva, my name. I'll just type in my name, James. Then I'm now typing my password, the password I want to be using in Canva. So I'll just type in the password. So after that, then I now press get. I click here, get started. So I type in my name, then I type in the password, then I type get started. So now, as you can see, okay, we sent you a code. A code was sent to this email. So all we need to do now is to go and get the code that was sent to this email. So as you can see, we go to our email, and this is the code. This is the code they sent. So we click on it, we open it. So now you see, this is the code. This is the code that Canva sent. So I have to copy. Then I have to copy the code. I copy the code. I copied it. Then I go back to my Canva. So this is the code. So I copy the code here. Then paste. Now this is the code that Canva sent to me. As you can see, let us give it a while for it to open. So now you take out to a dashboard, and they are asking you a question: what will you be using Canva for? So basically you can choose, is it small business or non-profit, charity or student or teacher. But let's just say so we just choose personal. You click on personal, then you type here maybe later. So start your first story design and other things. So you can just, so this is the dashboard now. You can click on, maybe if you want to create any post or anything, you can just type maybe YouTube, 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 YouTube logo. You click on it. So as you can see, our free Canva account is ready. So now let us go back to our home page. So this is how easy to create a Canva account. It's very, very easy. So this is how easy to create a free Canva account. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like my YouTube channel, Rich Concept TV. Subscribe to my channel. If there is anything you want me to discuss, or if there's anywhere you want me to elaborate more, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like this video and click the bell notification so that anytime I drop awesome video like this, you will be the first person to be notified. So bye bye.